Model, 1988 Fiat Ducato camper motorhome starts drives overheating issue. Body, beige, motorhome. Mileage, 97,530. Engine, 2,445 cc N1 VMA-HGP. Transmission, 5-speed manual. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Headgasket may need replacing, coolant is pressurizing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Still pulls in every gear. This could be a water pump or radiator issue, not sure, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear camping area is in decent, average condition. Features, part service history, HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.